We've covered a number of applications for germicidal ultraviolet light within a facility, but another big application that we see is using these lights inside HVAC systems. Some UVC fixtures that are designed for HVAC systems can have quite a few specifications to consider and also a more complex install process. The product we're looking at today is the UV Stylo by Light Progress. One of the biggest benefits of this particular fixture is how easy it is to install inside a unit. You can have a lot of different configurations or sizes of units, and there are even a few different configurations of this fixture, but essentially this lamp is protected by a stainless steel cage, and the entire unit is fully waterproof, meaning this can even be set inside a drain pan, and there's no need to worry about water damaging the unit or infiltrating and damaging the lamp. Another consideration is where to put this in the area where you have your coils. Now, this can be laid in the bottom of the unit where a drain pan might be, or this can also be attached to the side of the HVAC cabinet or even magnetically attached inside a cabinet. Essentially, what the UV Stylo is doing is producing germicidal UVC light inside the unit that prevents the growth of mold and algae and other microbes or bacteria that can be harmful for the system or clog coils or even build up biofilm or other types of things within the drain pan that can be harmful inside an HVAC unit. When it comes to specifying the UV Stylo in an HVAC system, there are quite a few considerations, and there are different configurations for this unit as well. Some things that you need to have together would be the dimensions inside the unit to make sure that there's physically enough space to have the lamp in the unit, how many door access panels in case you need safety switches or sight glasses, the voltage of the HVAC unit. So there are quite a few factors that you want to consider and have together before you go about specifying or selecting one of these fixtures. The configuration we're looking at here is typical for a 3 to 5 ton HVAC rooftop unit. Now, we have the lamp that, as I mentioned, would lay in the bottom of the unit. This power supply needs to be mounted somewhere inside the unit, so that could be on the blower motor casing or on the side of the cabinet. And then we also have a door safety switch incorporated with this fixture. Now, this switch ensures that if the cabinet is opened or if a door is opened on the HVAC system, that the switch will open and the unit will be powered off. This is very important when we consider that UVC energy is harmful to our skin and eyes. And so we want to protect anyone who may be maintaining the system over time. And these door switches are a great way to do that, so that as soon as the cabinet is opened, the unit switches off and there's no risk of UVC exposure. Another great safety consideration with fixtures like this is something called a sight glass. Now, this is a UVC blocking plexiglass pane with a metal cabinet, and the way to install this is essentially cutting a hole in the cabinet on the outside of the HVAC system and then mounting this to the outside, and if it's a rooftop unit, sealing this from the elements to make sure that there isn't any water infiltration. And essentially, this gives you the ability to look inside the unit to see if the lamp is operational without having to open the cabinet. Now, this means you can check on the operation of the lamp itself, but it also means that anyone coming to maintain the system will understand that there is UVC energy operating inside the unit, and so they'll know that before they even open the cabinet. One more consideration if you're planning to use UVC energy to maintain an HVAC system is making sure that you shield parts of the inside of the system from any of the UVC rays. If you're considering UVC lighting in your HVAC system, this UV Stylo product from Light Progress is a great and very flexible option. The ease of installation, waterproof setup, and general flexibility of this unit is something that makes this a really great solution for a wide range of HVAC applications. And there are other Light Progress products that both scale up to much larger HVAC systems or different applications as well. So if you'd like help specifying something for HVAC considerations in your facility, our team is here to help.